Hello, welcome back to Nziza platform. Today's video we are going to see how you can update your Protastructure software. Protastructure is doing such a great work so that it is providing regular updates to the software. Okay, so within a certain time, if there is a new released update that you don't have on your software, you will be notified right away to the starting page of the software. So how will you know that your software is not up to date? So you can see my preview here. As I open the software, you will be able to see this red color here under software updates. So it means I'm not using the latest version of the software. So how can I update that? Very simple. There are a couple of ways, but I will show you the easiest one. Just make sure that you are connected to the internet. Then after launching your software, just click here under software update. Then and automatically you have this dialog box. Okay, see this dialog box. It will show you the installed version. For my case, my version which is installed, it is this one. And you see that I have a new release. There is a new released version, which is this one. You see that the versions are different. Okay. So in case you want to see the what is included in the new released software version, you have to click on this link here. So now here, I will just have to click on download update. If I click on download update, this one, then I will have to wait so that the download will complete. So this, I will come back after the download is completed and see what's next. You see the download is starting 0%, so you have to wait until it reaches 100%. Okay, so as you can see now, our software have been updated. The update is complete, so you can just now run Protastructure. So just click on run and let it open. Great. So as you can see now I have an up-to-date software. Okay, and you can see I have a message that my software is up to date. Thank you. See you in the next tips and tricks on Nziza platform.